What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another video for you guys. I know it's been a minute. I've been going through some family things and stuff like that, so if you follow me on IG you know what's going on. I've had quite a few packages come in while I was away. One of the main packages that I got that reflects from my last video, so it was the Yeezy 700 Bright Blues and the Ken Griffey Jackie Robinson edition joints, which I did not get, but like I showed you in my video for the Bright Blue live cop, I was able to get the Bright Blue 700s from the Adidas Confirmed app, so I did get them in. Here they are. You got that size 13 Yeezy Boost 700 Bright Blue, Bright Blue, Bright Blue. Don't get no better. You know the box, it's all the same. Boost 700 on top. Let me get these puppies out. So here you have it, guys. You got your Yeezy 700 Bright Blues. Camera might be kind of dark, kind of bright, but see you got your hints of 3M there. If you can see, you see the 3 stripes in there, those are also 3M hits. These parts down here, these ovals, are also 3M hits. And the laces are like, I would say, like a light grayish cream. I don't know, they're not exactly white. It's not an exactly white lace system that they got going on there. On the bottom you got your black with your boost peeking through. You got your Adidas logo in the back, and you got that orange, that beautiful orange. You got the Knicks colors going on with these. Shout out to my Knicks, 4th place in the East. People gonna hate anyway, but 4th place in the East, that's good enough. Not good enough, but that's good for me right now. We on our way. That's how you build season to season. But so these are basically 700 Wave Runner toe right there. You got your teal, and you got that other greenish that the 700 Wave Runners have, the OG Wave Runners. I'll see if I pop them out in a second. I do have them here with me. On your back you got that blue, that bright blue with the lighter blue on the inner, on the collar. And you got that leather bright blue as well, and then the lighter blue right here. You got your black suede with that orange midsole with the black from the Wave Runner look. Then you got the black that goes around like that to the heel. On the inner, it's pretty much the same thing. You got them 3M hints right here, 3M inside there for the 3 stripes. Then black going around down to here. On the inside, you got your Adidas logo right there. And I think you also have a Yeezy. Yeah, you got your Yeezy Adidas logo in there. Well, you know, it's your typical 700. But hold on, let me get out the Wave Runners. So here you have your Wave Runners. Can't get no better than these. This is the OG. This is the one everybody loves. They're gonna be coming out again supposedly this year again. So I think that's like the 5th time that they're gonna drop these again. So I'll be looking forward to grabbing another pair of those if I can get my hands on it. I'll take another pair of these. Why not? Here you go. You got your Bright Blues and you got your Wave Runners. I was not able to get the Suns. I could not get through on the Yeezy Supply or the Confirmed app, so that was a dub for me. But here you go. You see the toe? You got that same teal and green on the sides there, and the black. It's pretty much the same exact style as far as the black, where it's black and where the teal and the green is. Even the black suede is the same from this one and this one, as you guys can see there. On the inside is pretty much the same as well. The tongue hangs like that. Like on my mauve pair, the tongue, it has like a strap. There's like a strap on the sides. On the inside, on the sides here, there's a strap. But for these 700s, the Wave Runners, and it looks like also these, they do not have that strap. I don't know if it's something they were just testing out, but these don't have that strap, just like the Wave Runners. It doesn't have the strap. But this shoe, I like this shoe, man. When I saw these in pictures, I was like, oh man, this is gonna be a dope one if they release them. This was one of the first ones that I saw when I was looking on when they did the Yeezy circles that they always do. And for these to actually drop was what I think was kind of dope. This is definitely a summer hitter right here, man. I'm hyped about these. And this is like the first time I'm really looking at them, because I seen them. I took them out the box just to make sure they were good, but like I'm really checking them out right now, and this is fire, man. This is fire. I know people hate on Yeezy, on Adidas, but these are fire. That shoe to the max. I don't even care, because this is it right here, man. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I got more videos coming. I'll probably make a few just today on its own. But if you do like this video, make sure to give it a like. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Alright? And share my videos when you can as well. That'd be kind of dope. But until the next video, I'm out. Peace.